Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with MarineMax in Houston, coming to you today with a quick walkthrough video of our brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 27 Dauntless. I want to start at the front of the boat here and do a quick, show you a couple features up here. We've got the windlass at the front of the boat with a remote. It's electronic anchor windlass for quick and easy anchoring. You'll also see these two poles right here. They attach in these rod holders up front, and there's a big bow sunshade with some extra canvas to keep everybody nice and cool up front. You'll see we've got flip-up backrests on both sides, so you have forward-facing seating, and then there's also fish boxes under these seats as well that are insulated and they drain overboard. You can use them as a cooler, fish box, etc. There's a drop-in cushion with a platform that goes right here, so you could turn this into a huge casting platform, or you can have a full cushion for like a big bow lounging area. We've got an oversized sun pad here in front of the console with a huge storage compartment. You'll see storage for that bow casting platform and the cushion that goes on there. There's all kinds of other rod storage that goes into the console, etc. You've got flip-up armrests, cup holders. It's a very comfortable place for people to lay out when you're out there on the lake or fishing, etc. As we make our way back to the helm here, you'll notice we've got an oversized head compartment with a pump-out head. That's also storage for your table as well. Coming back to the dash, you'll see we've got a lot of room here for two 12-inch displays, VHF radio, etc. You can choose your electronics. We install all that stuff here at MarineMax. We've got some extra room up here. Some people like to maybe add some speakers here. Digital throttle controls for the twin Mercury 225 horsepower outboards. Tilt steering, electronic trim tabs, all your gauges and switches are all right here. You've got a Fusion audio head unit with Bluetooth, USB, auxiliary, etc. And then flip down bolsters on the leaning post to get you elevated, or you can use it as an actual leaning post and stay standing. We go to the back of the leaning post and you'll see this one has the optional upgraded leaning post with live well. There's additional rod holders and a large Yeti cooler down here. You've got a freshwater rinse down here as well as at the back of the boat. And then you'll see you can use this area as a casting platform with additional rod holders, or we've got an oversized flip-up seat here for people to be in the most comfortable spot on the boat when you're underway. Really just a great all-around bay boat, fishing boat, family boat. You could even use the boat to go offshore a little bit. This is a fantastic boat for this area. This is the 2019 Boston Whaler 27 Dauntless. Come see it at MarineMax Houston today.